Wisconsin, east central Sauk County in south central Wisconsin, until 1:15 a.m. At 12:22 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Partyville to near Lake Wisconsin, moving southeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sun Prairie, Waunakee, Windsor, Columbus, Lake Wisconsin, DeForest, Lodi, Gwinnett, Partyville, Randolph, Fall River, Rio, Cambria, Dane, Arlington, Waukeena, Otsego, Merrimack, Friesland, and Doylestown. This includes the following locations: Gibraltar Rock Natural Area, County Park, and Alliant Energy Portage Power Plant. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.